wait. I'm going to. I can't do this.
Grateful and gifted, 100%, you know? Still stay strong. Man, strip on my life, me never weak out when the rough days on. We still stay strong.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Literally, I just ended the previous one and I just started it back immediately. I'm waiting on Miss Melbourne because I'm not driving today. I'm not the driver today, so waiting. Guys, we are here. Can't find a table. Oh, it's one like a nice area. So Miss Malva and mommy around there. Right here, Berna, Shami and the buckle of it. Taking pics, guys. Oh yes, this is pretty. The face I hide from the sun though. You sun-kissed, honey.
What do you mean I just saw what?
Go on now, so we'll go hold the phone then. I'll just stand. Watch it. Watch it. I can't. Mommy think she acting up people, watch her. Oh, then our bikini pose where camera. Watch her. I'm having too much fun just watching. She and Brianna. Doing? You just a see what? Yeah, our other people in my play their music.
But it loud. I'm ready.
Hey. What that's the people. Right now I have no apology for my behavior, yeah. Right now I have no apology. Watch ya. I wish I do. Oh, the modeling you talk? Shut up when I'm a model carnival costumes. Thank you one for my girl. My girl, you man. Mommy, you can't put it up. I don't want to go now. No, for 2 minutes, you're going to wait till.
Wrap up the ear. Wrap up the ear again. Come here, try in the water.
No, but see if you take off a cover up. Take it back. Wait, mommy, wait. You're not black, Shami. You cannot do that. Oh, my God. Take off. Wait, I'm going to take it off.
Make we take it off. Go and show Cody. Come, Mumsel.
My 2 shots. It's going to wet up my hair. Alright, I'm going to take a dip. I'm going out now.
Watch her.
Hey. D-Nation. What? You have to go up there, so Shami. Shami, I don't want my boss to see, so I duck in. Watch it. What is this? What? Yeah, the sun here is beautiful. So we just got some fish. They're frying some fish for us and festival. So we're going to get that in a few. Brenna wants to swing. You can't swing. A long time you don't go to swing though. You try not drop. You try hold on. She jump out now. You I can't. What the church in there? You feel like me that jelly dead though? Yeah, show me. Hey. Oh, they might play good music now. Yes.
But I never
Flare, Brianna. Fling. I lie. Ready? Hey. Go down. What are you doing? I don't know what is. What is that? Hey. This hair now that the Yay! Yeah, Dimples Rivers. That's a wine, bruh. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Right? Hey. Hey. King. King. Boy, you have to lead on float. You know, this is like that they have to tell a story. Right? Wow. But like we she says she's a selector, guys. You know. Right? Them not bad like we. What is that? Chilling, waiting on the food, and we're getting ice cream after. We braffing. We just here Fort Clarence living the best life. The accent now works. Alright, we're there. I live the best life. Someone gave me a drink, and the drink we kind of concentrated on.
No matter, no matter.
Offer them, wait, when put the offer with peanut? The man offer with ganja. I have ganja, I know. we here chilling. We did not see any sunset on this side at all.
If we were at Ochi though.
Right? Hey, hey. No one else is over here left. Me?
Look at them.
We're leaving now, guys. It was a nice time.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah.
Fun.
This one.
Rough.
I go.
Yeah, can't just I go.
Mommy them out there, I don't know what them talking about, but yeah, they're chatting it up.
Some 417 and it just this 25.
And house now to top off
Once more.
the day. Right? We must live at them house. Can't bother. No ice creams now. We're home now. I got fresh and this is where I'm end today's vlog. Was a long day, was a good day, very chill, very nice and fun and all that. Was really good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to give this vlog a thumb up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So yeah, so until then, bye.